Hi friend, this is YNN Ross. Today we invention is air cooler with fast fan. Let's see how it is work. See friend, this is very fast. This air is very fast. And let's see light. Light is very brightness. You see, very brightness. Okay friends. Let's see friends, which items to make a cooler. Outside parts, light, two switches, cardboard sheet, thermocol sheet, tape, gum, cooling grass or dry grass. Let's see outside parts, inside parts of a cooler, 3 HW batteries, motor, fan, wires, strong wires, let's see friends, tapes, thermocol sheet, strong. Let's see friends how it is made cooler. Take a 4 parts of a equal measurement of cardboard sheet and attach the thermocol sheet. You see this thermocol sheet and cut in a center point of a center point the center point of a cardboard sheet and attach the dry grass or cooling grass. The air is fast. See this friends, attach the gum and tape and coloring the cardboard sheet in and coloring your favorite colors. See this friends, that side also is a center of we cutting and dry grass or cooling grass. We attach the cardboard sheet and front of a and circle the circle of a cardboard sheet and attach the 4 sides of box, and this is a air moving up and down. See friends, air is down and air is up and air is up and down. To see friends, this is in that side and air is down and up. You see friends, and see friends, this is your direction. See this friends, and upper part of a cardboard sheet, attach the light in cardboard sheet and gum. You see this cardboard sheet and paint coloring in favorite color, where favorite colors, and how to make in inside parts. See friends, is a motor with a fan. Attach the fan and height of a cardboard sheet. Attach a battery with a gum. Motors in a 2 wires, 1 wire connection with a switch. See friends, 1 wire. See this, and 1 wire to attach the battery. Attach the battery and switch with connection with ring and connection with the tape and electrical tape, your safety tape, and switch is on. Cooler is fast fan. See this one? Okay. Then let's see light and up part of a cardboard sheet and a hole and light, 2 wires to a connection with a down, 1 wire with a switch and 1 wire with a battery and another wire to battery with the switch, and light will very brightness. To see friends, you see this very brightness. Okay friends, Okay friends, this is inside part, the grass. We see this batteries, switch and light. This is YNM inventions. Okay friends, thank you for watching this air cooler video. Please subscribe my YNM Bros channel, share and like. Thank you friends, this cooler.